Let me show you our new project in Mission Hills. I'm working on this with an investor. As you can see, we're under construction right now. So I wanted to show you what we're doing. First of all, here on the outside, we kind of wanted to do some different colors. This is actually purple, matches my shirt, black and blue. Wanted to kind of stand out in the neighborhood. It's a Craftsman-style home. I think it looks pretty good. Some people hate it, but most people love it. So let's go. Inside, it's hard to see the wood floor, but over here, Israel, if you could come over here. This is brand new flooring that we put in, 9.5 inches wide. It's super nice. Hopefully it doesn't get scratched, but that's pretty much throughout the whole home, except for over here. This is kind of like an office slash speakeasy, I call it. So here, we're actually going to keep the old floor, which I can show you over here. Kind of looks like this. The old original floor. The reason why we're keeping the old original floor in this office is because I want this office to be like time specific, original to 1933 when this was built. And also because this guy here, which is a door to the speakeasy and also a nice built-in. We just painted it this radicchio color. And we were not gonna be able to lift this guy up if we put flooring down here. So we just decided to keep this guy without having to move it and lift it up, and then keep the original flooring in here. The thing is that a lot of the flooring outside had termites, so we couldn't save it, but in here, the flooring is pretty decent, so we're gonna sand it and keep the original flooring. I'm calling it a speakeasy, but really what it was, this was built in 1933 at the very end of Prohibition, and they built this as a storage room for liquor, where you hide your liquor from the cops back in the day. So we're gonna wrap this in some really nice wallpaper and put a nice bar there, and maybe a small table. And these are some of the wallpapers I'm thinking about for inside of the speakeasy. We've been working on this project for about 2.5 months. It's a total remodel. All of these lights obviously are new. It was in good condition, but needed to be updated. This here was all closed, and it was just a small door here. So I asked my guys to kind of continue the door in the same pattern and open it up. And later on, we're gonna have a bar area here, like a peninsula with a waterfall, stone waterfall. You could show them the kitchen real quick. We kept a lot of the cool built-ins with that kind of glass. Try to keep as much of that as possible. All right, over here is another kind of blast from the past. This probably was remodeled like in the 60s, judging by the 4x4 pink tile. So we had to make a call on whether or not just getting rid of all of this pink tile and doing a whole new bathroom, or trying to keep the pink tile, that kind of this mid-century style, and find a way to make it look cool. So my idea was to combine it with jade. When I was looking what I could combine pink with, there wasn't really much except for white, black, light green, maybe gray. But I like this. It's like a jade marble, and I think it's gonna look good once we finish. We regrouted all this, cleaned up the grout, put in new fixtures that also I tried to keep time specific, and then coated the tub there. All this flooring is the new flooring. We put in new doors. Also trying to keep it time specific. We used this oiled bronze fixtures throughout the house. This is the master. I bought these guys. They're too big and bulky. We're gonna get rid of those. Sometimes you make mistakes. Here is obviously a master bathroom. This is vanity. Just bought it online and installed it instead of getting one made. I think sometimes vanities are easier to just buy pre-made. You can barely see the tile here. It's a 2x2 mosaic. This goes on the whole floor all the way into the tub, into the bathroom shower tub area. And then here is gonna be 2 fixed shower screens. You walk through the middle, you have a tub over here, you have some nice shower over here, and then this wall is gonna have some 4-inch Zia tile, something like this color. Backyard, we have a, if you come this way, this is the garage. It's like a 1-car, and that can be an ADU, and we actually could have tried to get it permitted for an ADU, but we decided against it because it's gonna take 6 months or so, and what we did is just kind of clean it up inside, and whoever buys it can get the permits and turn it into an ADU. Something cool is that it has alley access, so it kind of gives you a good, good entryway for that ADU. If they do decide, if the buyer does decide to build an ADU, they'll have private entry there. That's pretty much it, the Mission Hills project. We are about 1 month away from finishing this guy. And once we do finish it, I'll have another video with the final. Just kind of wanted to give you a progress report. Let me know what you guys think.